When Harry Belafonte called the Gathering for Justice, he did so because he believed that artists, leaders, and visionaries carried not just influence, but responsibility. The responsibility to speak truth, to move culture towards justice, and to lift the voices too often left unheard. Our next honoree embodies that spirit in every way. Through her leadership at Rock Nation, Team Rock, and the United Justice Coalition, she has refined what it means to lead with both power and principle. Desiree is a woman who doesn't just sit at the table, she builds it, and she makes sure that others have a seat too. Through UJC, she's united artists, athletes, lawyers, many of who are here, and advocates to take on some of the most urgent issues of our time. From criminal justice reform to economic equity, reminding us that when culture and activism meet, transformation follows. Her work reminds me of something Mr. Belafonte often said: art in its highest form is art that serves and instructs society and human development. Desiree lives that truth every single day. She doesn't chase headlines, she changes conditions. She leads quietly, but her impact reverberates loudly in the lives she's touched, the systems she's challenged, and the communities she's empowered. Desiree, on behalf of the Gathering for Justice and our founder, Harry Belafonte, it is my deepest honor to present you with the Harry Belafonte Social Justice Award in recognition of your extraordinary courage, compassion, and commitment to justice. You remind us that leadership is not defined by titles, it's defined by who we're willing to fight for, who we're willing to lift, and how we use our influence to serve. Desiree, I thank UJC. If y'all can stand up, please. Let's see our UJC family, our UJC United Justice Coalition. I think I could speak for all of us when we say we love you, Desiree. We appreciate you, and we're so grateful for your leadership. Thank you for standing with us, for guiding us, and for challenging us to be bolder and braver in our pursuit for justice. Des, we love you. Please help join me in celebrating our sister, our leader, and our dear friend, Desiree Perez.
Thank you. I want to express my sincere and profound gratitude for this incredible honor. Thank you to Pamela Belafonte and Gathering for Justice Board of Directors for this incredible recognition, and a special thank you to Carmen, one of my favorite women. When I received this humbling request to accept this award, I was in a moment of questioning my purpose in social justice work. I was asking myself, am I truly making a difference? Does my work have any impact? Do people understand my intent? Or is it simply not enough? Do I even have the time? Talk about divinity. You saved my spirit.
Please, one.
This isn't just about a 9-to-5 at a single organization, or raising funds, or protesting in a Kansas City court, thanks to Barry. Or writing up op-eds for Parchment, though we need all of those things. It's about everything we do daily. How I run my company, how I conduct business, and the essence and principles behind my choices and words. Everything counts, and every single thing we each do, regardless of its size. My relationship with each of you, and every conversation where we offer each other support, chips away at the concrete. When Rock chose to work with the NFL, for example, there was a significant opposition, to say the least, which is where UJC was born from. Yet our work has made a remarkable difference in its messaging, financial contributions, and for social justice work in a lot of different ways. I was incredibly proud when we won the Emmy for the Outstanding Variety Special Live, an award the NFL had never won before. It wasn't just about the award itself, but because I won it alongside the first Black rapper to ever headline a halftime show produced by a Black and brown owned company. Then I learned that Harry Belafonte was the first Black performer to win an Emmy, and it was for his variety special, bringing everything full circle for me. This work isn't about being invited to the table or how you get there. It's much bigger than any one of us. However you show up, in whatever capacity you choose, as long as you do, we will weaken the walls of injustice. We were born into this movement in one way or another. And I want to leave you with my favorite quote of Harry Belafonte. I'm not quite sure precisely when social and political activism became a visible brand of my DNA, but it seems to me that I was born into it. It is hard to be born into the experience in the world of poverty and not develop some instinct for survival and resistance to those things that oppress you. Thank you so much.